Hello everyone. We are looking at phase 5, chapter determinant, exercise 1, and we are at question number 20th. The matrix is given to us, determinant value of the matrix is given to us, and we have to find the value of 5a, where a scalar is multiplied with, if a scalar gets multiplied with the matrix, then determinant value, what is the relation? So again, this property we have to recall, this is a very important property. So k into a determinant value is k to the power n into a. So basically this is just a recall of this property. So 5, and it is given to us that the order is 2 into a. So 25 into determinant value is 3. So this is 25 into 3, that is 75. So it becomes very important, this property we have to understand. Thank you.